Hello, welcome to New Cars Review today with another video. The Kia K8 is a relatively new model, having replaced the Kia Cadenza in 2021. As such, information specifically about a 2025 model year is limited. However, based on recent trends and updates, here's what you can likely expect for the 2025 Kia K8. Exterior design. Refined styling. Kia is likely to continue refining the K8's design, potentially drawing inspiration from their newer models like the E9. Expect subtle changes to the front grille, headlights, taillights, and bumpers. Sleek silhouette. The K8's fastback-style silhouette and sleek lines are expected to remain, giving it a modern and elegant look. Wheel options. Expect a variety of wheel options, likely ranging from 18 to 20 inches, with different designs and finish. Interior design. Luxurious materials. High-quality materials, such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and metallic accents, will likely continue to be used throughout the cabin. Spaciousness. The K8 offers a spacious interior with comfortable seating for 5 passengers, and this is expected to remain the same. Technology integration. Expect the latest technology features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and advanced driver assistance systems. Performance. Engine options. Kia is likely to offer a range of engine options, including a gasoline engine and a hybrid powertrain. Smooth and quiet ride. The K8 is known for its comfortable and quiet ride, and this is expected to continue. Driving dynamics. While not a sports car, the K8 offers a composed and enjoyable driving experience. Functions. Infotainment. A large touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility is expected. Comfort and convenience. Features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, a premium sound system, and a head-up display are likely to be available. Safety. The K8 is expected to come with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Limited information. As of now, specific details about the 2025 Kia K8 are scarce. Kia may release more information closer to the model's release date. Potential changes. It's possible that Kia could introduce significant changes or updates to the K8 for the 2025 model year. Market availability. The availability of the 2025 Kia K8 may vary depending on the region.